Thank you so much for all of you guys that either were with us in person, great group in person, fantastic group that was also on the Zooms that hung in there. Man, we must have had 80 of you that hung in all the way to the end of the day. Just really impressed with all of you. But as you guys learned on Saturday, there was a couple reasons why we couldn't really go into full depth on the exact distinctions and differences. Number one is would have taken us all day. Number two is, folks that were brand new, there is no additional pioneer perks, and those pioneer perks are for you. And then number three, folks that were brand new, it also is ultra confusing to try to teach them old stuff that doesn't apply to them and a bunch of new stuff. So as Stacy shared a moment ago, if you have not enrolled with us yet, you can sit on this Zoom. I absolutely positively would not. It gives you no value, no upside. It just is going to be a tremendous waste of your time and super confusing. But the rest of you, the pioneers, man, we're grateful for you. We acknowledge you for hanging in there and being there with us all the way. What I want to do, since I got them, Mike, Craig, Mike and Craig, that's confusing. Your 90 seconds worth of what you've seen so far of the 3.0 side.
I'll jump in. Well, I tell you, it's encouraging, refreshing. I mean, no hype. I'm a pioneer just like you guys are, and so I think that starting out at the very early stages, we all went through some challenges and pain, but the reality is, without us doing that and going through those things, we would not even be here, and we would not have all this amazing things that are going on. So I'd like to say thanks for those of you that are crazy enough to stick around like I am, because I know and I see exactly where this can go, and the vision is so big. And I'm thankful that I'm thankful for you, because if we did not push through and do the things that we did, quite honestly, we wouldn't have a 3.0, and we would not have a partner or a tech integration partner like $100 billion Shopify to even talk. We wouldn't even be having this conversation right now. So those things were, to me, were absolutely necessary. Whether I like them or not, they were absolutely necessary for us to go to where it is we want to go next. And I'm jacked about where we are and where we're going next, and I'm excited about it.
Mike, pick one part of all the new 6 buckets, and micro
Oh
part. Give me
God,
one part.
I have to pick one. Oh my gosh.
Your favorite of all.
Okay, I'll give you my favorite of all, which I believe is a domino effect to the rest. How about that?
Yeah,
My
fair,
favorite of
fair.
all that lends not credibility, but enhancements to everything is the customer, consumer, forward-facing rewards message that everyone is going to get lit up about.
Watch this. Ready? Lisa says her favorite part is customer rewards. Martin, customer cashback. Dennis, rewards incentives. Sandra, customer driven model. Joyce, rebate positioning. These are the only people that responded, and every single one of them said rewards, 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 rewards. So, Craig, over to you.
Yeah, look, I think when we started on this journey 12 months ago, like I always thought, we're building a global marketplace. You need to have at least 100 brands in 100 countries to be able to say that. And we were kicking the business off with a humble amount of brands to start with. So it was always going to take some time. The Shopify thing's probably turbocharge my 3 year to 5 year vision into a 12-month vision. So we're now using arguably the best e-commerce tech tools in the world to be able to really turbocharge what we're doing. So imagine being able to go out there and invite brands on, and it takes 15 minutes to 60 minutes, not 6 weeks to 8 weeks. So we can build that 100 brands very, very quickly and at speed with great customer experience, great vendor experience, the tools that we know work from $100 billion company. So it allows us to build our product, and our product is our marketplace. And for me, if you ask me what's my number one thing, I love the customer. As Nick knows, I've been speaking about that since day one as well. But Shopify integration gives us the product and the platform that will allow us to fulfill what we all join this platform for, and that is to unite brands, influencers seamlessly and do something that's never been done before. So to me, I think the domino effect of the Shopify integration is the thing that makes this not only work, but fulfill the vision that we believe that we're able to achieve.
Excellent. Thanks, buddy. 3 more people actually just also commented with the rewards as their number one. So many things to be excited about. 6 big buckets. I think high level, our vision hasn't changed. Our execution is changing. Vision is the same. Decentralized commerce. Bring the power back to the people. Amazon, Google, Walmart, they're wealthy enough. How do we bring some of that back to the person making the sale, the merchant, to the influencer, to the person doing some business development? How do we take those margins and bring them back here? That hasn't changed. Social commerce is the primary delivery mechanism of our transactions. It's probably going to be 95% of our transactions, 90. Maybe people still do a lot of email and texting, but a lot of it's going to be done through social media platforms. Social commerce will cross $1 trillion this year. It is the act of you making a post about anything and getting a transaction out of that post. And then we talked about, an ecosystem of what social commerce is. Users, content creators and influencers. And then you got those small brands all getting pushed down to platforms. What are we? We're a platform. So that vision of what we're here to do, to unite all those groups together in one place in a way that's never been done before, that has not changed. We all talked about the extreme difficulty of doing this, what it takes to pull this off, how hard that is, where we failed, the difficulty in technology, difficulty in KYC, difficulty in compliance, difficulty in taxation and merchant of record to be able to do this at a global level. Solution: find a partner who's an expert at all 4 of those things. And that's what we did. And as Craig eloquently pointed out, we're fast tracking a 3-year vision by month 12. By month 12. This will be the one of, if not the last time you'll hear us communicate in words like this. Look, I get it. Some of you didn't like the first 6 months. I get it. You're frustrated, you're sad, mad, angry, let down, whatever words you want to use. I get it. But the vision we were giving you for 3 years is about to happen on month 12, 13, 14, and 15. So maybe we make up for it. But you can't be one of those people, and you're probably not because you're on today, that was there early, and we told you it's beta. We told you it's beta 1 and beta 2. We told you it's the most difficult lift, but you got to see it through to the upside of the speed, scale, expansion. Not to forget, 4.0 is already mapped out. 3.0 is getting all that tech and then some nailed, and the ability to go into as many countries as we can or want to as fast as possible. But 4.0 is that ability to attract traditional influencers in a way no company or industry ever has before. So, yeah, we've got a plan. And more importantly, that plan is being executed and will deliver on month 12, 13, 14 in a way that we never would have had an opportunity to. Mike referenced this. He said, look, without that crappy part in the beginning, we don't have this good part. And I'm going to tell you why. If we were okay, I'm going to use the word okay. If the marketplace would have been okay, merchant of record okay, the speed of compliance, speed of KYC would have been okay. I don't know if we would have put the company on pause and said, let's redo the whole damn thing. Let's redo everything. Because if stuff was just working okay, who knows if we would have, because I remember when Rod said, okay, because of this Shopify opportunity, I'm thinking we need to make some other changes. I'm like, so glad you said that, because I want to change this, and this. And as you guys know, that falls into 6 buckets because we've been talking about those 6 buckets, some of it in greater detail. Each week we picked a new bucket and we updated you guys on those buckets more and more each week. I want to show you guys how visually we simplified our business model for people. So how does our business model work? It's simple. We have different licenses, and an influencer pro is the person that has the ability to go get merchants from Shopify. So what they're going to go do is they're going to go find vendors, which Shopify calls merchants, and they're going to refer Shopify stores over to our app. So a Shopify store will go to, when we're ready, this will be September 15th, they will go to Shopify's app store. They'll download the Shoply app. That vendor will just onboard in anywhere from 10 minutes to 45 minutes. Let me say this again. They'll onboard in anywhere from 10 to 45 minutes. They'll onboard in anywhere from 10 to 45 minutes, AKA we're going to suck their whole store in, all their products, their pricing, all of it. And then that store will be live in the Shoply marketplace. Remember, we won't be on the app though until September 15th. So this isn't today. This is September 15th. This is October 15th. Once we're live in the marketplace, our promoters make posts, send text messages, share posts to create exposure and brand awareness. And eventually we get customers who purchase products for our merchants. This is what we do. The second thing we do is we have licenses for people that are helping us multiply the network. You see them right here, affiliate managers, influencers, influencer pros. And all they do is, boom, they go get us customers. Boom, they go get us affiliates who go get us customers. And lastly, they go get us other team builders who go repeat and duplicate the process. That is the two things that our company does. Influencer pros bring vendors, our people go get customers, and our team builders get us customers, affiliates who get customers, and other team builders who multiply the process. 6 buckets. Shopee partners will be brand new.